What's up guys, welcome to another day of unboxing cool and unique tech products. This is episode 92, and for this new episode we have actually teamed up with Stealth Gaming, who specialize in super affordable gaming accessories. So I can't wait to share their new lineup with you guys. Now if you have not already, then please like and sub to the channel and follow on socials for more innovative cool tech videos like this one. As usual, everything you're about to see will be linked in the description with timestamps so you can jump straight to the product that interests you. So without any further ado, let's begin with the first cool product. So first up we have the Stealth Light Up Mini Gaming Keyboard. Alright, so let's check this out. I am a fan of mini keyboards. You can see they're ultra compact, 63 keys, plug and play, tactile keys, anti-ghosting, perfect for gaming sessions. Let's check it out. Oh wow, quite decent sized keys. So this is 60% form factor, USB powered, and it's a nice high quality braided USB cable, which is cool. Next up, we have the Light Up Extra Large Gaming Mat. You can see here 5 animated effects, 8 static colors, extra grip, water resistant, perfect for gamers. And it says they're extra large, 80 centimeter wide. Let's get it open, shall we? Here is the mouse mat, no doubt extra large in size. Alright, so check it out. We've got the keyboard, we've got the extra large mouse mat. So it's a big size with plenty of space for your setup. You've got full 360-degree lighting. The lighting goes all the way around. So there are 13 RGB effects which you can cycle through by pressing this button here. So you can set your desired colors. Wow, I'm really liking this so far. Okay, so next up we have the Stealth Light Up Gaming Mouse. And I've got 2 colors here, blush pink and we've got mint green. Here we go. So we've got 2 gaming mouses. They are USB powered, again braided high quality USB cable. You have a 7-button design, adjustable DPI from 800 to 7200 DPI. You've got a textured finish on both sides for more of an enhanced grip. So you've got 12 RGB lighting effects with a dedicated button to cycle between the lighting effects. Really convenient, and you've got a DPI button just above it. Really nice quality ergonomic gaming mouse with a nice grip on the sides. Okay, so we've got the Stealth Light Up Gaming Headset. I could get used to this. A multi-platform wired headset, compatible with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox, Switch, PC and mobile devices. You've got a braided cable with a 3.5mm audio connector on the end. You have inline microphone with volume control and a mute switch. So the headset is made from plastic, it's very lightweight, it is extendable. Now they do feature 40mm drivers. You do have a flexible microphone attached, non-removable. Ear cups are also well padded, and so is the headband. Okay, so let's see what's next. So we've got some light up charging cables as well. This one specifically for the PlayStation 4. So it's USB-A to micro USB. You can use it on PlayStation 4 and you can charge your other micro USB devices. 2-meter length cable, and you get 2 in a pack. And this one is multi-format. So it's USB-A to Type-C. Again, 2-meter cable, and you've got animated lighting effects. So let's quickly check these out as well. So it's a twin pack, so you get 2 cables in each box. So let's check out those cables. PlayStation 4 cable, micro USB, you can see it lights up blue, so really cool effect. And for the USB-C version, I just plugged in my DualSense controller, and you can see multicolor lights on the USB-C version. So these are interesting looking light up tennis rackets. Let's check them out. So we have 2 tennis rackets in matte black. They are powered by 2 AAA batteries, giving you 7 LED lighting effects, and you can cycle between the different lighting effects by pressing the LED lighting button. Now Joy-Cons of course not included, you need to add your own Joy-Cons, and then you're ready to play games like Nintendo Switch Sports. So this is the Stealth storage and charging station for the Meta Quest 3. Let's check it out. it comes with its own Stealth branded rechargeable batteries and custom covers for the controllers in order to charge those batteries. I got an extended battery headset on the back, so you just fold that upwards to distribute the weight and drop that inside. If I remove that battery, you can see it's charging. Install the rechargeable batteries, and we're going to use the custom lid like so. Perfect fit. The difference is the custom covers has a charging pin, so you can drop it into the charging slot. So they are clearly marked right and left, so you know where they're going. So you're simply dropping one in there and dropping one in there, and that is it. Check it out, everything neatly arranged. MetaQuest 3 with the external battery strap all connected up. It's charging, it's docked nicely, and it's working great. So keep your MetaQuest 3 nice and tidy, and it's ready to use when you need it. Awesome stuff. So there you have it, guys. That concludes episode 92, going through Stealth Gaming's new lineup of affordable LED gaming accessories, all priced under £50. If you got this far, then please hit the like button and let me know which products were your favorites from the bunch and which one you might be interested in. I'll see you guys again with another episode showcasing some of the coolest tech that I set my eyes on. All links are provided for you in the description box below. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and sub. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.